Welcome to another edition of Pinoy Homemade. This is JP, and today's video, I will show you how to make Steambokchoy with pork and mushroom in oyster sauce. Let's now begin. In a hot pan, saute onion and garlic, then add sliced pork. Mix well until the pork turns brown. Next, add light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix it again. After that, add black pepper and sugar. Add mushrooms and cornstarch mixture. Cook for another 2 minutes. And finally, pour on top of Steambokchoy and serve. If you enjoyed this edition of Pinoy Homemade, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. And remember, it is your kitchen, and you are in control.